Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disable video chats on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. There you can find Allow Video Chats, which is under Account. Disable Allow Video Chats option. And that's it. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.